Hey guys, this is HP DeskJet 2700 2007 Red Series. What I want to do is to show you how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network. First of all, you need to put this printer in a wireless mode by pressing the cancel and Wi-Fi button together for 3 seconds. And you can see the printer is now flashing. It's now flashing, then you release it. This printer now is in a wireless mode. To connect this printer to Wi-Fi network, depending on the gadget you want to use, I want to connect it with my mobile device. Go to your Play Store, install HP Smart App. This is HP Smart App. Open it up. Then select, go on top, select plus. Choose a printer to add. The first option, new printer. Then you select Wi-Fi network. Then select continue. Get printer ready. Then you select continue. Allow HP to connect and determine the relative position of your printer. Select allow. Select OK. And you find the printer DeskJet 2007 Red Series. Select on it. You find the printer and also find the network. So I'm going to put the details, then we'll go from there. So you find the Wi-Fi network and also you find the printer. Also, people ask, where do you get the Wi-Fi password? I have the Wi-Fi password details. You get the password from the back of your network router. So I'm going to put the information. The password can be case sensitive. So if he asks you to put capital letter or small letter or number, you need to do the same. Double check the information you put is correct. If you are happy with it, then you select continue. Printer is found. Now it's preparing the printer. Press and release the flashing information button on your printer. After release, please wait. So you go to the printer and press the information button once. So now, preparing the printer, accessing the network. Printer is prepared. Now it's obtaining the IP address. Printer connected to Wi-Fi network. And if you look on the printer, you see the Wi-Fi light is steady. It's no longer flashing. Continue. Processing. Connecting to HP service. Checking the printer status. Select accept all. Your new printer automatically ship your ink. Do not activate ink delivery. Are you sure? Skip offer. Or you can select remind me later. Auto update, notify me. Then you select apply. Let's print. So select print. Select print. So we're going to print out the test page. Now printing from other device, not right now. And this is the printer and ink level. Here we go. Thank you for choosing HP. Discover more to get most out of your printer. Thank you for choosing HP. Discover more ways to get most out of your printer. So these are the information we printed out. This is to show you that this printer is connected to Wi-Fi network and the printer showing us the ink level, new HP ink cartridge is installed, and this is the ink level. From this app, you can do so many things. This is how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network with your mobile device. If you want to add it to your computer, what you need to do is you need to go to your laptop and install HP Smart App. So open it up. This is HP Smart App. So you wait for the app to open and be ready. Then the next thing to do is you select add or set up a printer. Then select add a printer. So it will search for printer available on the network. HP DeskJet online. Then you select on it. So you need to wait for the printer to show on the app. Here we go. This is the printer here, HP DeskJet 2007 Red Series. And it will show you the ink level. So this is how to add this printer. Once you connected it to Wi-Fi network with your mobile device, then you add it to your laptop. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed.